Hi, and welcome to Crafting with Nana. Today I wanted to do a short video on a few of the most common crochet abbreviations and then how to read those abbreviation instructions in a pattern. So let's get started.
Here's a short list of common abbreviations in crochet. There are many other abbreviations that you may come across as you find patterns that you love. Remember that you can always Google the abbreviations and learn the meaning. So how do we read a pattern? In most crochet patterns, you will see the instructions inside of brackets right here with another set of instructions outside of the brackets. So it can be confusing if you're new to crocheting, and we'll break it down in this video. This triple crochet in the next 2 stitches means exactly that. After you're finished with those triple crochets, you'll single crochet in the next. After this part is done, step 1 and 2, now you move out to the instructions outside of the brackets. So step 3, you triple crochet in the next 2 stitches. Step 4, you single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat one more time, triple crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then single crochet in the next. At this point, you have completed this entire line of instruction. So steps 1 and 2 complete what's inside the brackets. Steps 3 through 6 complete what is outside of the bracket. I hope that this short video has helped to increase your knowledge of how to read a crochet pattern. Please follow me on Instagram for more tricks and tips, and also links to my new videos. Until next time, happy crafting.